What if I told you that you could make $19,000 a month from the comfort of your own home? Is impossible. Think again. Stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you a wealth hack that might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, this isn't some empty promise. This is something you can start today, and I'll show you exactly how. But before you dismiss it as impossible, have you ever wondered why some people are effortlessly building wealth while others are struggling to make ends meet? What's their secret? Let's find out. Picture this. You wake up early, rush to work hard all day, and come home only to watch your paycheck disappear into bills and rent. Sound familiar? For most, this is reality. There's never enough to save, never enough to invest, and definitely never enough for the life you dream about. Meanwhile, others, people no smarter than you, are making thousands each month from home. How are they doing it? Well, in this video, I'll show you how they did it, and how you can too. So, what's the secret? The wealth hack that could change your life in 2024? Well, simple. It's called side hustle management. And it's a side hustle that allows you to build real wealth from home. No special skills, no massive capital, just a simple strategy that works. Here's how it works. Step one, you start by step one. This takes just a few hours a week, and before you know it, you're on your way to passive income. Step two, which starts building momentum. It's scalable, so the more you invest in it, the more it pays back. That's it. And the best part, you don't need to quit your job to start. This can be done on the side in your spare time until you start seeing real results. Now, I know what you're thinking. If it's that easy, why isn't everyone doing it? Here's the thing. Most people never even try. They think making money requires an overwhelming amount of time, effort, and money. They believe they need a big investment or years of experience. But here's where the plot twist comes in. They're wrong. The truth is, most people are too afraid to take that first step. They're comfortable in their cycle of working 9, 5, paying bills, and never reaching their financial potential. The people who succeed are the ones who take action, who realize that the right opportunity done the right way is shockingly simple. But here's the real kicker. Most people don't even know about this opportunity. They're too busy living paycheck to paycheck or trying to follow the traditional path to success. What they don't realize is that the key to wealth isn't hidden in some complex scheme. It's right in front of them, and it's waiting for the right person to recognize it. Here's the truth. You could be one of those successful people earning $19,000 or more per month if you stop waiting and start acting today. So now the question is, will you be the person who watches this, forgets about it, and lets another month slip by? Or will you take action and finally unlock your path to financial freedom? If you're ready to take control of your future, then the first thing you need to do is understand how to make your money multiply itself. That's where the power of compounding comes in. In my next video, I break down how compounding can turn small amounts of money into massive wealth over time. You don't want to miss it. And Screen directs viewers to the Power of Compounding video with a bold Watch Now button.